Before you open another tab, stop. What I'm about to show you will change the way you use AI forever. Imagine accessing every advanced AI model. GPT-5, Claude Sonnet 4, Gwen 3, Omni, Imagine Ultra, VO3, Lumaray, 11 Labs Ultra V2, Devin Agents, 3D AI, everything. Not from multiple tools, but from one intelligent dashboard. This is not another AI app. This is an evolution. Let me ask you something. How many AI tools are you currently paying for? One for writing, one for images, another for video, another for voice, plus a code tool, automation tool, 3D tool. And worst of all, they limit you. One model, one version, one credit pack, one monthly bill after another. You're paying more, switching more, and somehow getting less done. And with AI evolving every month, you're always behind. New model releases, new versions, new updates, and you're stuck with outdated tools from last year. Just look at the real cost. GPT-5 access, $60 to $120 a month. Image tools, $30 to $70 a month. Video AI, $49 to $199 a month. Voice and music AI, $20 to $99 a month. Code and agent tools, $50 to $200 a month. Your AI stack quickly becomes $300, $500, even $1,000 every single month. That's the AI tax. And yet you still miss out on the best models, the newest versions, and the freshest updates. But what if you could eliminate all of that? What if there was one platform that gave you access to every AI model, all versions, all categories, and all future upgrades without ever paying monthly fees again? Introducing One AI Evolution, the world's first AI evolution app that unlocks all the most advanced, new, and continuously evolving AI models from one unified dashboard. No limits, no subscriptions, no version caps, no extra upgrades, no hidden fees, just unlimited creation power. Text, chat, reasoning AI suite, GPT-5, Claude Sonnet 4, Gwen 3 Omni, Gemma 3, Grok 3, Mistral Large 2, DeepSeek R2, Yi 1.5 Turbo, Haluo Story Engine, 12 plus elite reasoning models, perfect for content, sales, SEO, research, scripts, strategies. Image Generation AI Studio, Imagine 4 Ultra, Luma Photon Flash, FluxDev, Flux Schnell, Ideogram V3 Turbo, Recraft V3, Leonardo Phoenix XL, Stable Diffusion 3.1 XL, Aquastyle, 17 plus world-class visual models. Create photorealistic, cinematic, artistic, 3D stylized images instantly. Video animation and motion AI, VO3 Fast, Runway Gen 4, Lumaray, Kling 2.5 Turbo, Pixverse 4.5, Hunyuan Video, Pika Labs Pro, Kriya Motion, Sora style generators, and more. Make studio-grade videos, ads, reels, animations in seconds. Voice, music, and audio AI, 11 Labs Ultra V2, Open Voice Clone 2, Suno Music Gen V3, Stable Audio 2, RVC 3.5, Voice Mojo, Meta Voice Box. Clone voices, narrate scripts, create songs, compose music with perfect clarity. Code automation and AI agents, GPT-5 Code Interpreter, Gwen Code, Codestral, Devin Agent Mode, build apps, automate workflows, debug instantly, generate entire systems. 3D and Design AI Suite, Tripo AI, Rodin 3D Builder, Spline AI, Nerfcraft, KDEM 3.2, create 3D objects, characters, environments, product renders, and AR models. One AI Evolution is not an all-in-one tool, it's an AI model evolution engine. You're not using one AI, you're using every AI. Current versions, new versions, upcoming versions, everything, all added automatically without paying more. And the best part? You can launch your own monthly AI subscription business with One AI Evolution. Sell AI content, AI videos, AI images, AI voiceovers, AI code, AI automations, AI 3D designs, or even give clients access to your AI dashboard and charge them recurring fees. The possibilities? Endless. During this special Founders launch, you can unlock lifetime access to One AI Evolution for just one tiny payment of $14.95. Yes, lifetime. No monthly fees, no renewals, no locked features, everything included forever. But fair warning, this is a limited time launch. Once our capacity is reached, One AI Evolution will switch to monthly pricing, or the doors will close completely. So ask yourself, do you want to keep paying hundreds every month for outdated tools? Or do you want one intelligent platform that gives you everything without limits? Click the button below now to activate your lifetime license. You're protected with a 30-day money-back guarantee, zero risk, infinite creative power. One AI Evolution, the future of AI, the power of every model, the freedom of zero monthly fees. Click below. Your AI Evolution starts now.